Meaning of drank.
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 Drank. Drank is the past tense of the verb drink. It refers to the action of consuming liquid through one's mouth. The result of drinking can vary depending on the context, but typically it satisfies thirst, provides hydration, and can result in altered mental and physical states if consumed in excess. In social contexts, drinking can facilitate bonding and relaxation, but excessive drinking can lead to negative consequences such as impaired judgment, health issues, and social problems. Overall, drank is a common and essential activity that can have both positive and negative outcomes.